Hello YouTube, how are you today? We are going to increase your carbon dioxide levels and perform a back stabilizing core exercise that's going to help you to stabilize before a workout. I recommend performing this one before you go into a workout to increase your carbon dioxide levels, increase your oxygen delivery into your muscle, and also to stabilize the low back. This is also going to ignite your brain and get you nice and focused for the workout, because research does show that if you increase the carbon dioxide levels in the body, you improve executive functioning, which you can really use in your workout to have a more effective workout. Hi, I'm AJ Fisher. I'm the creator of the breathography technique and the HYPOXiX method. If you'd like to join me in my workouts, please come to hypoxix.fitness. That's HYPOXiX.fitness for the free community. Additionally, if you want to take classes with me and become a member, hypoxix.studio. That's the studio. That's where the classes happen. We do live classes and I teach you how to breathe with exercise. We breathe together using the breathography technique. If you're a trainer, take the breathing core. That course now has been supported and accredited by all of the major training organizations as a continuing education unit. So please take that course as well, but you don't have to be a trainer to take that course. If you just want to learn the nitty-gritties, the specifics of the breathography technique and how to use your breath to activate your core, you can also just take it. Go to hypoxix.fitness and go under products and you can take that course. Sit on a chair. Our exercise for today is equalizing the weight between your two sit bones, gently pressing down into the seat beside you, and I want you just to lift one knee up and down. Now, as the knee goes up and down, the thing I don't want you to do is let your ribs rotate toward that raising leg, and I also don't want you to decrease the pressure under one sit bone. So I want you to close your eyes, and I just want you to practice this for a moment. Are your ribs moving, and is the weight underneath your sit bones shifting as you bring that knee up and down? Once you've centered yourself and you've figured out how to keep the ribs still and keep the pelvis still while performing that exercise, now we're going to add in a 2-second inhale and an 8-second exhale. Now, when you exhale, I want you to think about pulling your navel to your spine and really blowing pretty hard. Now, I do an exhale through the mouth to create resistance for the abs. There's a multitude of reasons to also nasal breathe, but for this particular method, we inhale through the nose to create that nitric oxide, then we retain the nitric oxide before we exhale through the mouth for 8 seconds. Now, in the breathography technique, we actually make sounds over that 8-second exhale to create resistance for the abs and for a multitude of reasons. But for today, because most of you who come to the YouTube channel are beginners, I just want to exhale through pursed lips, through a blow as you go up and down with that leg. So it looks like this. Watch me once. I'm going to close my eyes. Is my weight centered between my sit bones, and are my ribs staying still? Inhale 1, 2, exhale 8. That's it. Let's do it together 3 more times on the right, and then we'll do it 4 times on the left. I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to think about pulling your navel in and keeping the weight equal between the sit bones. There are many other components, such as a pelvic floor contraction and things like that. That's for the next level when you take the course or you come and take classes with me. For now, I just want you to think about that navel pulling in. Ready? Inhale. 2. Exhale. Inhale 1, 2, exhale. So you're doing 4 leg lifts on that blow, which is about 8 seconds. Inhale 1, 2, exhale. Let's do it on the other side. Make sure that head is nice and relaxed. Inhale, inhale. Gently pressing the hands down to feel those abs. No movement in the ribs. Don't let your ribs rotate toward that moving leg. Inhale. 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 Now, if you can get a pelvic floor contraction as well without losing that focus on the ribs, please do. Inhale, inhale. and release. That's also a wonderful method of strengthening your hip flexors, which hip flexors get a bad reputation, but they need to be strong. And many times the reason that they're tight is because they are not strong and they don't have enough blood flowing through them and they don't have the proper strength to move through your full range of motion. So use that to strengthen your abdominals, your hip flexors, your carbon dioxide, your brain, your body, and your breath. I hope to see you at hypoxix.fitness. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.